lightweights like Monopoly, but ain't no stopping E, cause I'm a juggernaut like slugs from a Glock pop, blowing your fucking nugget off the spot. Fools be illin' in the M, running the gambit on sham shit. You slip your man's click, be trying to plan licks, plotting on your whole MO for dough. They cutthroat, that's why I can't fuck with folks. I keep it touch and go, I maintain, and keep it straight with my people. But now investing in these Western ideas could leave you evil on that Skrilla factor. Them shiesty bastards after chump chain, strictly hating playing punk games. Yo, I'm saying they ain't ready for Fetty. They burnt out before they 20, cause they only think with natural instincts. Just the cunning, fast money keeps them hungry, while that slow dough keeps the belt loose. Tanaj, Burt, T, and K, you know I felt you in the tripe, handed life dealt you. The grands that killed you are them same dollar bills that could've built you. The gamble for green could mean shamble dreams, or annual capital in the teens. Expand your team to a regime, see it's all about that fat grip. Until your last trip to where you ripped the unprepared, need their ass kicked, cause what you do but don't know about your fiscal income, decide your outcome in this next millennium. So I ask, who got the answer to this cancer eating out my insides? I can't decide. I'm out for dough with pride, make it happen is the anthem for the blue collar baller, but the hustle is defined by the dollar. And I ask, who got the answer to these cancers eating out my insides? I can't decide. I'm out for dough with pride, make it happen.